Beauty is subjective, but here are 10 countries that are known for their natural scenery, cultural heritage, and popularity as tourist destinations. Italy. Italy is home to some of the world's most iconic art, architecture, and cuisine, as well as breathtaking landscapes like the Amalfi Coast and the Tuscan countryside. France. France is famous for its romantic cities, historic chateaux, and world-class wine, as well as the natural beauty of the French Riviera and the Alps. New Zealand. New Zealand's dramatic scenery includes snow-capped mountains, turquoise lakes, and rugged coastlines, making it a popular destination for adventure tourism and nature lovers. Canada. Canada's vast wilderness, from the Rocky Mountains to the Northern Lights, attracts visitors from around the world. Its cities, like Vancouver and Toronto, offer a mix of urban and natural attractions. Japan. Japan offers a unique cultural experience, from ancient temples and shrines to modern cities and technology. Its natural beauty includes cherry blossom trees and picturesque gardens. Greece. Greece is renowned for its ancient history, stunning islands, and Mediterranean cuisine. It offers a mix of archaeological sites, sandy beaches, and traditional villages. Costa Rica. Costa Rica is a top ecotourism destination, with lush rainforests, active volcanoes, and diverse wildlife. It offers adventure activities like ziplining and surfing. Norway. Norway's natural beauty includes fjords, glaciers, and the Northern Lights, as well as charming cities like Bergen and Oslo. It's a popular destination for outdoor activities like hiking and skiing. Spain. Spain is famous for its lively culture, stunning beaches, and historic architecture. It offers a variety of experiences, from the bustling cities of Madrid and Barcelona to the laid-back islands of Ibiza and Majorca. Australia. Australia's diverse landscapes range from the Great Barrier Reef to the outback. Its cities, like Sydney and Melbourne, offer a blend of urban and natural attractions, and it's a popular destination for adventure sports like surfing and scuba diving.